गजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, गजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, गजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान। हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान, दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे, दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन।
Hi everyone, my name is Neetu and welcome back to my channel Dream Girl Neetu. So today I will create this beautiful look for you girls. So I hope you will like it. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press that red color button that you will always be notified with my videos, and follow me on Instagram. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Love you. I have naturally oily skin, and for moisturizer I am going to use this moisturizer and spread all over my face. This is really refreshing moisturizer and I just love the smell. I have too little bit extra hydration. This gives me soft, supple, smooth skin. You can clearly see how much my skin hydrates. It's looking so fresh. I just love this step. After that, I'm going to use this shimmer primer. This is illuminating primer that brightens my skin with gorgeous glow. It is instantly freshes the face, adds dewy glow, and also blur pores and makes my makeup last longer. Now I am going to use this O2 concealer stick. It hides my redness and also dark patches. It gives a smooth application. This buildable creamy formula gives me a natural matte finish. It melts in my skin and blends effortlessly. And now I am going to use this kabuki brush and blend foundation easily. And yeah, I don't miss my neck. Otherwise my face and neck looking so different. This concealer stick beautifully covered my dark circle. And then I will take any wet beauty blender and blend out, so that if any excessive product on my face, these techniques remove excessive product on my face. And yeah, it will take little bit more time to blend everything. And then I will be using same concealer to hide my dark circle little bit more, and I am using my finger to blend out everything. I will specially focus on my under eye area because I have deep dark circle. And now I am going to use this fluffy brush, and I am going to using this loose setting powder or compact powder, and then I will press it all over my face and neck to set it. In this technique, when I will press the compact powder against a foundation I apply, it's going to mix with foundation, so that foundation absorb it, my skin will bake it and gives me that beautiful coverage and keep my makeup sealed. And then I am going to use this Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. First I am taking this shade and I am smoke it out. This is my transition color, and using blending brush I will blend it out. Make sure that no harsh line in it. taking this dark brown shade and I'm smoke it out in my outer third using this fluffy brush. And then I'm going to apply this antique gold to middle of my eyes, and I'm going to apply using my fingers. I will gently press on my lids. I'm taking this shade and I'm smoke it out in my outer V using this blending brush. Then I will apply kajal. Then I am using black eyebrow filler and fill my eyebrows using with this small eyebrow brush. I will take my time and fill gaps and comb here. Done with another side too. This is important step to looking beautiful. If you don't fill your eyebrows, then your makeup not look that much good. I know it will take little bit more time. After that, I am taking these two beautiful pink shade as my blush. I am using this fluffy brush. For contour, I am using this shade to add more dimension on my face, so that my face looking little bit slim. I will also contour my nose. I am not taking any brush. I will use with my fingers. And now I am highlighting my brow bones. Then I am going to use this mascara. I will also apply mascara to my lower lashes. Now I am not using any false lashes, so that's why I am using 3-4 coats of mascara on my eyes. This is Blue Heaven mascara. This is waterproof mascara and also budget friendly. I will use less mascara for the lower lashes and I will gently scrub downward. And now I will remove any stray and extra mascara which is around the eye with a cotton swab dipped in a makeup remover. And done same with another side. And now for highlighter, I am using this Swiss Beauty blusher and highlighter palette using with this fan brush. I will apply this highlighter on my cheekbones below the outer corners of the eyes and blend well. And now I'm going to use this eyelash curler and curl my lashes. Then I'm going to use this Insight non-transparent red alert liquid lipstick. This is waterproof and smudge proof. This lipstick gives me super matte finish. And last, I will use setting spray so that lock my whole makeup look, and this spray help to prevent makeup from melting. And for finishing touch, I will apply bindi. And yeah, this is final look. If you're new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestion about video, then let me know in the comment section below.